Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all your memories on your Snapchat at once. So guys, if you want to download all your memories at once on your Snapchat account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply make sure that you are using the updated version of Snapchat. So guys, for that, open your app store, search for Snapchat, and after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat app on your device. So I do this, and after this open it, and now go to your memories, and here you can see all of your memories. You have to simply tap on select button, and after this you have to simply select all from here. Once you are selected, you have to simply tap on share button from here. And now you have to simply move this to right side. And now here you can see download option. So guys, once you tap on download option, all your memories will be downloaded on your iPhone or other device. So guys, here you can see this, select them all. And then you have to tap on share button. And now go to download from here and download it from your Snapchat account. So guys, in this way you can also download or save all of your Snapchat memories at once on your any device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.